Hello again. We're back, and we're back at the Puerto del Carmen shopping centre, or shopping mall. Now it's also a leisure centre, I believe, so we're going to go take a quick look around it. Now it's set over about 3 floors, and we're on the first one as you come off the street onto the ramp. Let's see what sort of shops we got here. It goes down a floor there as well. We'll probably have a look there later. But first of all, we're going to take a look at this big giant Christmas tree. That's what caught my eye the other day when we were walking past. You see the tree and thought, oh, that looks pretty good. So this is the sort of ground level as you come in. It's got this little ice cream place. I think it doubles as a bar as well. People sitting there having a drink. Looks pretty good. No, this is the second floor, sorry, I got that wrong. Because the tree is on the ground floor, as you can see there. There's escalators up, there's also lifts. But it's pretty good view. I'm sure you'll agree. We'll come up close and have a look at that. Very well decorated with all the baubles. It just seems a bit odd when you're used to seeing a Christmas tree and it's cold outside. And when you come to Lanzarote, it's like the peak of summer. To see in the background, nice bit of seating there. Another little tree there as well. Very nice. So, nice place to sit and spend an afternoon. I'm sure you'll agree. Right, we'll take another little look. I think that's a bit of a smoking area as well because it's away from the main part. As you can see there, looking at it, we're on the first floor, the second and the third one, looking at it from here. Against the backdrop of the tree. It's called the Biosfera Shopping Centre. I did look it up. I think that's how you pronounce it. Biosfera. So you've got the little snack bars there.
Enter if you dare.
Quite busy. Now there is a cinema here as well. I think that's on one of the higher levels. We're going to have a look up there as well. First of all, we'll go and have a look past some of the shops. I'm not one for the shopping really, but we'll have a look while we're here. We've got a nice children's area there. Oh, that's filled with water. You wouldn't want that bursting up at this high level. It was a little bit windy while we were here, but not too bad, but I'm sure you'll agree. Some great views. A nice bit of seating area there again as well. It's partially covered with sort of canopies, marquees. I suppose if you do get the odd shower, which I think that's all they do get really. They don't get any heavy downpours. Not many anyway, as far as I'm aware. You can spend an afternoon just looking out over there, that's for sure. But anyway, onwards. Got those little zorbas there. Is that what you call them? Zorballs or something like that. It's got McDonald's there as well, I can see in the distance. Wouldn't be a shopping mall without a McDonald's or a Burger King. Traditional ice cream stall there. Got the rubber floor on the escalator. Have a look. Pizza place there. Another little children's play area. Very nicely laid out, it has to be said. Little train track, isn't it, there? Noodle box. He's giving it a thumbs up, must be pretty nice. There's a security guy just walking past, keeping an eye on everything. I like the way they've got all these chairs set out as well, so you can just sit there watching the kids play with great views over the sea. It's closed off this section for some reason. Right, we'll carry on. Right, we'll just go up these stairs and have a look upstairs. Go on to the top floor. Starlight, I think that might be the cinema up the top there. Oh, we've got this Starlight Cinema, Sky Ride, Ocean Drive, or Ocean Dive. Jurassic Kingdom. That's got a little restaurant as well, the Lost World restaurant. I have to say, I'm very impressed with the views as well. Very good. So this is a little cinema. Chill out terrace. Nice bit of comfortable seating. Not like the ones we got back home, little plastic seats. But I'd say it does get pretty noisy because I do say it gets quite windy up here. Parts of Lanzarote. But at the moment it's only light winds. Right, we've come back down again. Have another little look around. Not the biggest shopping mall I've ever been to, but it's well laid out, and I do like that Christmas tree. It really does bring it out. I think we'll take the stairs down again. There's a bit of a queue getting down here. Oh, I think the lady's cleaning the stairs, so that's why. Yeah, it's getting fast. Gracias. Could have took the escalators, but I was over this side, so I thought I'd just come down the stairs. Bull and Bear. Oh, there you go, there's a tree. That is one big tree. Well, quite a nice little shopping centre, I'm sure you'll agree. Very well laid out. Anyway, that's the end of it, I think. We're just going to take a sit down now and have a drink. As always, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.